Ever wondered who ensures the accuracy, reliability, and integrity of data in a company? It's someone with a role you might not have heard of, but it's vital in today's data-driven world. Enter the Data Quality Manager. This individual is the unsung hero, the guardian of the data galaxy, making sure that every bit and byte is in its rightful place. In this video, we'll delve into the exciting world of data quality management, unpacking the skills, challenges, and rewards of the role. Stay tuned to find out what it takes to be a fantastic data quality manager. So, what does a data quality manager do exactly? Well, it's a role that's all about ensuring the integrity of data within an organization. It's a bit like being a detective, combing through vast amounts of information to detect any anomalies or errors. One of the main tasks of a data quality manager is implementing data management strategies. Imagine you're building a skyscraper. Without a solid blueprint, the entire structure could collapse. Similarly, a data quality manager designs and executes plans to ensure data is stored, processed, and used effectively. They also oversee data integrity. Think of when you're baking a cake, you wouldn't want to mix up your salt and sugar, right? In the same way, a data quality manager ensures that the data used by an organization is accurate, consistent, and reliable. Another key responsibility is coordinating with other departments. Just like a conductor ensures every section of the orchestra is in harmony, a data quality manager works with various teams to ensure data quality across the board. They might work with marketing to analyze customer data, or collaborate with IT to implement new data management systems. And let's not forget about problem solving. When data-related issues arise, it's up to the data quality manager to find solutions. It's like cracking a complex puzzle, requiring a keen eye for detail and a knack for critical thinking. Clearly, it's a role that carries a lot of responsibility, but also offers a lot of opportunities. You might be thinking, what skills do I need to become a data quality manager? Well, let's delve into that. First and foremost, you'll need strong analytical skills. As a data quality manager, you'll be dealing with vast amounts of information, so the ability to make sense of complex data is crucial. Next, a deep understanding of data management principles is essential. That means knowing about data architecture, data modeling, and data warehousing, among other things. It's not just about having the knowledge, though. You'll also need to have hands-on experience with data analysis tools. But it's not all about the technicalities. Excellent communication skills are also key, as you'll need to translate complex data insights into understandable language for your team and stakeholders. And let's not forget about problem-solving abilities. When data issues arise, you'll be the one to find and implement solutions. With these skills in your toolkit, you'll be well prepared for a career as a data quality manager. Like any job, being a data quality manager comes with its challenges and rewards. Now let's delve into the nitty-gritty. One of the biggest challenges you'll face in this role is the constant need for learning and adapting. The world of data is like a river. It never stands still. New technologies, tools, and methodologies are continually emerging, and it's your job to keep up. You'll need to be a lifelong learner, always ready to sharpen your skills and absorb new knowledge. But with great challenges come great rewards. Imagine the thrill of solving a complex data problem, the satisfaction of ensuring high-quality data to drive important business decisions. Plus, there's the potential for a high salary. As data becomes increasingly important to businesses, the value placed on good data management is only going to rise. Then there are the opportunities for career progression. As a data quality manager, you're not just stuck in one spot. You could move into more strategic roles, perhaps overseeing data strategy for an entire organization. Or you could specialize, becoming an expert in a particular type of data or industry. So what's the takeaway here? Yes, being a data quality manager can be tough. It requires dedication, continuous learning, and a love for data. But it's also incredibly rewarding and offers a wealth of opportunities for those who are up for the challenge. As you can see, this role offers a unique blend of challenges and rewards, making it a fascinating career choice for anyone interested in data management. Intrigued by the role of a data quality manager? Imagine wielding the power to shape and refine data, to drive decision-making and innovation. What questions do you have about this position? What thoughts or insights did this video spark for you? We're eager to hear your take, and if you want more content like this, don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and remember, your data quality could be in your hands.